Hello everybody, today we're going to be making chicken broccoli. And this is actually my favorite dish that my mom makes, so I'm very excited that she made this video for me to look back on and so that I can make it one day when I'm on my own. So first you're going to put some broccoli, I don't know, what's the plural form of broccoli, and put it in a steamer and steam it. And then you're going to, or actually you could also boil them, I believe. My mom used to do that in the past, but it's a little bit more efficient in the steamer. But now you're going to prepare your chicken. You're going to wash it first, and then you're going to put it in a pot with olive oil. She uses 2 pounds that are cut up into the tenders like this. And then you're going to add a couple of spices. So you're going to add a tablespoon of salt, onion powder, garlic powder, 7 spices seasoning, and that's it. Pour it over with boiling hot water and let it sit for a little bit so that the chicken cooks and becomes a little brown like that. Very nice. Then you're going to move on to your sauce. So first start off with roasting some flour and add butter in gradually. So butter equal parts to the flour, by the way. And you're going to stir that around and make sure it gets like this consistency. And my mom made another video on making the sauce specifically. This step is very important to make sure it has a consistent texture. So you can go check out that video by itself if you want to just review, or you could watch this right now. It's the same thing. But yeah, keep going, make sure it's nice and consistent, and add some milk to your liking, however thick you want it to end up being, but make sure you go slowly, and don't forget to roast your flour first. But then you're going to finish off with some salt. Mix that in. Look, now it's turned into a nice sauce. So now you're going to, in a separate pot with that sauce in it, so I guess the same sauce, you're going to add the vegetable broth seasoning. And in a separate slow rice cooker, we're going to make our rice. So my mom likes to use 3 cups of Egyptian rice and then 1 cup of American rice. Add some ghee, instead of oil, and then add some salt. Mix it around a little and pour boiling water, about 5 cups on top, or a knuckles deep worth of water. Close it on up, click the white rice setting or whatever rice setting you have, and let it become very nice and fluffy. Now you can assemble. So you're going to place all of the broccolis at the bottom of the pan, so a layer of broccoli, and then you're going to move on to a layer of chicken. And finally, you're going to coat it all with the insanely yummy sauce that you had just finished making. But yeah, it'll sit in there for a little bit and it can get all those flavors, but that's it. We hope you enjoy. Happy chicken and broccoli. Bye!